I've got a love-hate relationship with this machine back here. This video has been all about the hate. I bought this CNC machine and it may have been a huge mistake. Let's talk about why. First thing is the space. This thing is huge. It is a 4-foot by 4-foot machine. 80 to 90% of the cuts I make could have been done on a smaller 4-foot by 2-foot machine. Only get a 4-foot by 4-foot machine if you're 100% certain you can make use of all 16 square feet of cutting area. The company that sells this one also sells a smaller 2-foot by 2-foot machine. I've got no idea why you need a machine that small. There are better options if you need something that small. I know what you're thinking, 4-foot by 4-foot doesn't seem like a lot, but that is just the cut area. The machine is about 59 inches wide. Then running front to back, taking into account the stepper motors, it's about 58.5 inches. Plus you're going to need room for accessories like the emergency stop, a place to mount your computer, and a place to mount the control box for the CNC machine itself. So to make room for all that, I made the table a little bit longer. It's 63 inches this way and about 65.25 inches deep. But wait, there's more. You need access to all 4 sides for work holding and maintenance. You're going to be tempted to put this baby in a corner, but
nobody puts baby in a corner.
After about 6 months of use, I had one of these retaining nuts come off. That nut holds this ball screw to the stepper motor. It was the one on that side over there, so I had to move all my toolboxes, take apart my dust collection, just so I could get to it, burn 30 minutes of my life just trying to find the problem. That would have been easier if the machine were out here in the open where I could get to it. If you get one of these, it's going to take up at least 50 square feet of your shop space, and on top of that, you're going to need dedicated dust collection. At the very least, you'll want a 2-stage setup with a shop vac and a cyclone, plus a HEPA filter inside the shop vac. I've been running this Harbor Freight one with the cyclone for a couple of years now, so I just had to run some pipe work over to this so I can make it work. But still, that dust collector takes up space, probably another 10 square feet that I can't get back.